First reading, 1 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 9 to 15. For it seems to me that God has put us apostles on show right at the end, like men condemned to death. We have been exhibited as a spectacle to the whole universe, both angelic and human. Here we are, fools for Christ's sake, while you are the clever ones in Christ. We are weak, while you are strong. You are honored, while we are disgraced. To this day, we go short of food and drink and clothes. We are beaten up and we have no homes. We earn our living by laboring with our own hands. When we are cursed, we answer with a blessing. When we are hounded, we endure it passively. When we are insulted, we give a courteous answer. We are treated even now as the dregs of the world, the very lowest scum. I am writing all this not to make you ashamed, but simply to remind you, as my dear children, for even though you might have 10,000 slaves to look after you in Christ, you still have no more than one Father, and it was I who fathered you in Christ Jesus. By the Gospel. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 145 verse 17 to 18, 19 to 20, 21. Upright in all that he does, Yahweh acts only in faithful love. He is close to all who call upon him, all who call on him from the heart. He fulfills the desires of all who fear him. He hears their cry, and he saves them. Yahweh guards all who love him, but all the wicked he destroys. My mouth shall always praise Yahweh. Let every creature bless his holy name forever and ever. Gospel, Luke chapter 6 verse 1 to 5. It happened that one Sabbath he was walking through the cornfields, and his disciples were picking ears of corn, rubbing them in their hands and eating them. Some of the Pharisees said, "Why are you doing something that is forbidden on the Sabbath day?" Jesus answered them, "So you have not read what David did when he and his followers were hungry. How he went into the house of God and took the loaves of the offering, and ate them and gave them to his followers, loaves which the priests alone are allowed to eat. And he said to them, The Son of Man is master of the Sabbath."